Look up at the night sky. For thousands of years, humans have stared at the moon with wonder. Some worshipped it, some feared it, and some dreamed of walking on it. But here's something most people never realize. Without the moon, you probably wouldn't exist. This isn't just the story of a giant rock floating through space. It's the story of how one violent event changed Earth forever and made life possible. To understand the moon, we have to travel back 4.5 billion years. Back then, Earth looked nothing like it does today. There were no oceans, no forests, no animals, no humans. The young Earth was a burning world covered in rivers of lava. Massive volcanoes erupted non-stop. Huge asteroids crashed into the planet almost every day. The entire solar system was chaotic. Then, everything changed. A planet almost the size of Mars, known today as Theia, was racing through space. Scientists believe Theia collided with Earth at more than 30,000 kilometers per hour. The impact was beyond imagination. The collision released more energy than billions of nuclear bombs exploding at the same time. Parts of Earth were blasted into space. Pieces of Theia were completely destroyed. For a moment, our planet became an ocean of fire. A gigantic ring of molten rock began orbiting Earth. Over thousands of years, that ring slowly came together. Rock by rock, dust by dust, gravity pulled everything closer, until something incredible was born. The moon. At first, it looked nothing like today's moon. Its surface was completely covered in glowing lava. It hung much closer to Earth than it does today. If you stood on the young Earth, the moon would have looked several times larger than it appears now. The tides were enormous. The nights glowed red from molten rock, and Earth's future had changed forever. But the moon wasn't finished shaping our world. In fact, its greatest job was only just beginning.